Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have a dash cam showdown for you. On the left, we have the ROVE R2-4K dash cam, and on the right, we have the Plozoe dash cam Hardwire kit. Let's dive right into it. When it comes to video quality, the ROVE R2-4K dash cam takes the lead. With its 4K Ultra HD recording capabilities, you'll experience unparalleled clarity and detail. The Super Night Vision technology ensures clear footage, even in low-light conditions. Say goodbye to those blurry nighttime videos. Now let's talk about connectivity. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam comes with built-in Wi-Fi 6, allowing you to instantly view and manage your recordings on your smartphone. You can even download your 4K videos directly to your phone and share them with friends and family on social media. It's like having a mini movie studio in your pocket. Let's move on to the extra features. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam is packed with state-of-the-art technology. It has a built-in GPS for accurate recording of your driving route and speed. It also comes with a super capacitor, parking mode, motion detection, and loop cycle recording. Plus, it supports up to a whopping 512 GB micro SD card. That's a lot of storage for your road adventures. Last but not least, let's talk about price and warranty. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam is priced at $119, and it comes with a full 1-year warranty. That's peace of mind right there. Plus, if you're not satisfied within 30 days, they offer a full refund. Can't argue with that. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam is praised for its excellent video quality, advanced features, and reasonable price. On the other hand, the Plozoe dash cam Hardwire kit is recommended for its easy installation and reliable power supply. And that's a wrap, folks. Today we compared the ROVE R2-4K dash cam and the Plozoe dash cam Hardwire kit. Both have their own strengths and cater to different needs. Remember, it's all about finding the right fit for you. If you want top-notch video quality and advanced features, go for the ROVE R2-4K dash cam. But if you just need a reliable power supply for your existing dash cam, the Plozoe dash cam Hardwire kit might be the way to go. Don't forget to check the description box below for more information and links to purchase these products. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more smart buying tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Buy Smart.